Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to adjust forward escape headlights, ensuring you have optimal visibility for safe driving. First, let's get set up. Park your escape on a flat surface, exactly 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Make sure your vehicle is empty of any heavy cargo to ensure an accurate reading. You will need a tape measure, some masking tape, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Finally, turn on your low beam headlights to illuminate the wall. Now let's mark your current headlight aim. Using your tape measure, find the exact height from the ground to the center of each headlight bulb. Transfer this measurement to the wall, marking it with masking tape to create a horizontal reference line. Next, open your vehicle's hood. You'll find the vertical adjustment screw, typically a Phillips head, on the top of each headlight housing. Forward escape headlights usually only allow for vertical adjustments. It's time to adjust the headlight beam. To avoid confusion, block one headlight with a towel or cardboard while you adjust the other. Insert your Phillips No. 2 screwdriver into the adjustment screw. Turning it clockwise will raise the beam, and counterclockwise will lower it. For halogen lamps, aim the top edge of the brightest part of the beam directly at your tape line. If you have HID lamps, aim the beam 2 inches below the tape line. Once you've adjusted the first headlight, unblock it and repeat the process for the other side, ensuring both are evenly aimed. The most crucial step is a night test drive to confirm your adjustments provide clear, safe visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Remember, even tiny turns of the adjustment screw can make a significant difference in the beam's position. If you often tow heavy loads, it's a good idea to periodically recheck your headlight alignment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.